What up, guys? James Chapman here, checking in. Walk through a quick house we went through. Give you a quick overview of some of the work. Bam. Alright, we started off house wash, window cleaning. We just finished up. Sent our paperwork, waiting for a review to see what we did. And that number, guys, 843-534-3428. If you're looking for quality work with a guarantee behind it before we ask for payment, definitely give us a call. 843-534-3428. All windows were done. Up there was done. The porch was done, detailed. There's some before pictures for you guys to look at. We did not do the louvers. We did a hand scrub a section, but it was not in a particular issue. That being said, licensed, insured, Google guaranteed. Give us a call, 843-534-3428. Or check us out online at www.southernappearance.com. Thank you guys and have a great afternoon.